Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your shipping address on the Zara app using your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you have downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. Now log into your Zara account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see this interface in the app. Now in order to change your shipping address, first of all, you need to add some items into your shopping cart. Here you can see the search icon at the bottom. Tap on it, tap on the search bar, and choose the item that you want to buy. For example, I'll select this item. Once you select the item, on the items page, you'll see the add button. Tap on it to add to your shopping cart. Select the size and it will be added to your shopping cart. So here you can see the shopping cart icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. You can see the list of items that is added to your shopping cart. Now you need to proceed to the checkout process in order to change your shipping address. So here you can see the buy button. Tap on it. Over here you can see the delivery address and it is selected Kathmandu. This is an existing address saved already into my account. So tap on the address. And here you can see all of the saved address in my account. If you want to change the shipping address, you need to add a new address to this account. Here you can see add new home address button at the bottom. So tap on it. In this section, you need to fill out all the address details along with your name. And once you are done, tap on the save button at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. Your shipping address is now updated. Make sure to double check the details to avoid any delivery issues. So you've successfully changed your shipping address on the Zara app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.